If you're an investor, should you buy a property on a land contract? Well, there's certainly people out there that'll sell on a land contract, and I know a ton of investors who will buy on one, and that's okay. I mean, it's a good way to buy property if you have that opportunity. But there are some disadvantages to buying on a land contract. Number one, uh, you don't have legal title to the property. And that means that the seller can go out, refinance, further encumber that property. Someone else can get judgments or liens against that property. You don't have a lot of control over that. And that can really be a problem for you. Then there's always the case of what if down the road you're ready to refinance or pay them off and they just decide they're not going to do it. That is a very real possibility. If they say, well, I've changed my mind, I'm not going to sell you the house. Yeah, legally you're entitled to it. You did purchase it on a land contract. But again, what's your remedy? You have to find yourself in court to get that enforced. So that can be a problem. Now, we love to sell on land contract. And keep the advantages that I just told you about. Of course, we're not going to not sell at the end of that thing. My recommendation to investors is to always get the deed when you buy and keep the deed when you sell. And those are just advantages that those positions give you. As far as buying on a land contract, I would really question that, why I couldn't have the title. Of course, most of your buyers aren't going to be savvy enough to know what danger they could be in if you were unscrupulous, but you won't be. But as far as buying on a land contract, I would much prefer subject to. Secondary would be a wrap. Land contract would be a very distant third for me.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.